Samsung TV error code 202 is an internet connection error that prevents users to access online content like Hulu, Netflix, Amazon Prime, etc. Getting this error code denotes that the Smart Hub is unable to find an internet, or sometimes, the ISP services have been blocked. Troubleshooting your internet connectivity issues as well as ISP blockage may fix this issue. There can be many reasons behind this error code, but here, you can do some very useful actions in respect to fixing this error code. Method 1. Set up DNS on Samsung TV. Turn on your Samsung Smart TV. Press the menu button on your remote. In the main menu, select Network. Then choose Network Status. At the bottom of Network Status, click the IP Settings button. Go to DNS Settings. Choose Enter manually. Enter 8.8.8.8 in the DNS server address field and then save the settings. Method 2. Update TV firmware. Turn on your TV and make sure it is connected to the internet. Press the menu button on your Samsung remote control and then select Settings. Navigate to the Support tab and then select Software Update. If the Software Update option is grayed out, please exit and change your TV source to Live TV, then return to Software Update. Select Update now. The TV will begin to search for any available updates. If there are any available updates for your TV, you will be asked if you would like to update now. Select Yes to proceed. The new software will begin to download and install onto your TV. Once this has been completed, your TV will restart with the new software installed.